In the morning light we gather round, tiny hearts making tiny sounds. A kitten knows a duckling smile, a hedgehog watching all the while. We play in the garden breeze, soft as the dancing leaves. Little paws and feathered wings